Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I've got an unboxing of this new product from Craft Buddy, and I've also got a letter from Craft Buddy. So let's have a look at this first. Okay, so I'll just get into this and, oops, don't need to see that. Okay, right. So if you remember when I unboxed my oh gosh, Millie, like Christmas Scotty dog custom that I got, I was missing two colours. I contacted them on the, oh gosh, just after I'd done the video, and then these were posted out to me. They've been posted out second class, so I think they took about 2-3 days to get to me. So that, excuse me, that was pretty good. Got a frog in my throat. I did say that I was missing colours from the first one, but it didn't matter because I'd already finished it. The second one, I did say I was missing that one I was missing two colours, but they didn't send me that one. But fortunately I did have that in my stash. Maybe they'd misread my letter. But yeah, the last one that I've got, then they have sent me the drills, so maybe 7 out of 10, because they've sent me these. I'm not going to email them or write to them again, to be honest. I can't be bothered. Companies do make mistakes, and I appreciate that, and they have rectified it for one of my customs, so that's okay. So I can crack on now and get this done. So you'll be seeing the finish of that one. So thank you, Craft Buddy, for sending me my missing drills. Okay, and then this one is a new product that they've just brought out. Craft Buddy are on createandcraft.tv. It's a 24-hour craft shopping channel that I watch quite a lot. I did actually first get my first diamond painting crystal art through one of the shopping channels when I first saw Craft Buddy. So that's how I got into diamond painting. So I do still check them out when they're on the television. And this is a new product to them. You may have seen things similar before, but this is the one that I got. There was a special event for the football, for the not the World Cup, the European Cup, and there was free postage. So I thought, oh well, it would be rude to ignore free postage. And because I'm a Create and Craft Club member, have been for about 15-16 years since it started, I do get 10% off all my orders as well. So this is a foldable storage box, and I've got the owl. They do a dog and a cat as well, but the dog's not a dog. It's a Burmese mountain dog, so it's not one that I would particularly want on display, because I've not got any Burmese mountain dogs. If it had been a Scottish dog, I'd have probably ordered about 6. And the cat one, I don't want the cat one. It's very pretty, very nice, but I don't want the cat one. I think they're full drill and this one's partial, but don't hold me to that. This one's definitely partial anyway. So you get your instructions telling you what you've got in your box and how to diamond paint. We've got a sort of basic toolkit. We have 2 pens. There's no multi-placers on the end, just single placers. Some grip seal bags. They usually include about 20, but I don't think there's 20 there. Let's have a look. See what they've sent us. It's 2 pens, big piece of wax, and 2 little green boats. There might be 20 in here. Let's have a look. It's a while since I've counted them. Let's just double check. These are a little bit bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is there only 9? 1, 2, 10, look. So we've got 10 little grip seal bags, but they are the slightly bigger size ones. So I tend to keep those for when I'm doing specials. Okay, the pink pens. I was wondering, you know, if you could use these as straws, if you took the ends off. If children could use these as straws, obviously give them a really good wash. But, you know, everybody's into these eco-friendly things now rather than plastic straws. But, I mean, we've already got these. So it's just a thought. Anyway, so that's your toolkit. That's your gems. And then let's take the owl out of the box. Oh, oh, this is the base of the box. I'm just thinking, why have we got a big plastic square in the bottom? Okay, so unlike the ones I've had in the past, this one, the plastic isn't sewn into the box. It's loose on top, which is a definite thumbs up, because it is so hard. I don't know if you've tried. When they've sewn the plastic cover into the seams, it's really hard to get that plastic cover out and to do that. So yeah, it's loose on all 4 sides, so that's a really big thumbs up. It's poured glue, which is fab. I like poured glue. But look at that, look at all the gems on there, look at all the different ones, and that owl is absolutely beautiful. Now, as far as I know, these are actually bigger as well. Yes, they are. My other ones, I think, are 10 by 10. And as far as I know, this is a 10 inches by 10 inches. Let me just have a look. This one is just a smidge under 12, about 11 3/4 inches, which is 29.5 centimetres that way, by 29 3/4 centimetres, which is 11 3/4 inches that way. So yeah, it's a bigger box, so it will fit better in your Kallax. And you do get, I don't know if you can see that, you just see a big black hole there. You do get your bottom to make your box more sturdy. So yeah, you can't quite see that because it's quite big. So yeah, these are your collapsible boxes. So I can always use another box, mainly to put my diamond paintings in. But yeah, I think that owl is superb. Love him. Let's have a look. Have I got a box that's a bit empty? No, not really. Let me see. So this is one of my tree boxes, and as you can see, these are sort of the standard ones. This was a full drill moon one. I did get the set of 4 and a dandelion, and then I got the set of 4 trees as well from various companies, and these are only, yeah, just under 10 inches by 10 inches, which is 26.5 centimetres. So these are quite a bit smaller. So when you put these into, say, one of the IKEA Kallax or one of the box storage shelves that you get, you do tend to get quite a bit of room around them, whereas this one will fit on the shelf just as is. So yeah, I won't show you. Okay, so I'll put that away in a minute. So looks good quality drill field, nice and clear. So yeah, that looks pretty good. All these are going to be your shapes and all your rounds there. You've got white on your black right in there. They are guide circles, which we'll see how that goes. I wish they'd make the guide circles just that little bit smaller than the actual gems, and then you wouldn't end up, if you've not placed it exactly on top, you wouldn't end up with bits showing. I tend to, as I say, I tend to work with things on my knee or on a slanted table, so as I'm doing them, I don't always get them right over, and I do try and move them back, but they do seem to move back on their own. So yeah, I would prefer if the guide circles were just a little bit smaller, so you know where to put it if you need a guide circle, but then you're not going to have any of the white bits showing from underneath the gem once you've done it. Okay, I wish companies would latch on to that, but maybe they will, maybe they won't. Maybe it's because they can't put the letter any smaller on the inside. All right, get rid of that horrible plastic. Don't want plastic. Okay, so let's have a look at these gems. Wow. Ooh, lots of them. Lots of them. How many have we got? 1, there's no DMC codes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there's 15 different gems and shapes in this. Okay, that's the first one. That's like a large marquee. Ooh, what's that in there? Oh, I've got like an L-shaped gem there. That's strange. I wonder if that's an end piece or whether that's just personalised for me, Elf Liz. I can't think that that will go on the box. Yeah, so they're red marquees. Okay, not quite sure where they will go. That's a number 3. So let's see if we can see number 3 is the nose. Oh gosh. So we only got 4 and we need 4, so I mean that's fine, that's good. Just have to make sure I don't lose any. But you do normally get spares, but anyway, that's okay. And let's have a look. Where shall we start? We'll start at the beginning. Okay, so that's, oops, excuse me, just have to put my power cord into my phone. It's running low on battery. Okay, that's my power cord back in. I thought I'd plugged it in. Do you know, I do this every time. I thought I'd plugged it in and I hadn't. So that's number 1. It's some like little, ooh, lovely aqua blue teardrops. And then the next one is some deeper blue marquees. They're pretty. Oh, look at all those purple. So I'm presuming that these are all the owl's wings. Yep, number 4. There is quite a few numbers on there, but I don't think they're DMC numbers. No, they're not DMC numbers. You can actually write to Craft Buddy and get a list of DMC numbers that match their gems, so that's pretty good. Right, so that's like an ambery colour marquee, quite a large size. I think they're maybe the claws, are they? Yeah, number 5 is the claws down here and the outer part of the beak. And then in your standard little gems, we've got green, ooh, lovely aqua blue, and again a bit deeper blue, which seems to match the marquees at the beginning. We've got your black there, your 310 with a couple of escapees in there. It looks like eyes looking at you. And some palish gold, hot pink, and they're a slightly bigger gem. And then a slightly bigger gold, and an even bigger blue, a big amber and a big silver. So that's lovely. So yeah, it's going to be quite a bit of fun to do, to keep those drills together. Let me get a little packet to put them in, and we'll label these so we know what they are. Actually, we'll keep them with the owl because again I think this is a kit I'm going to be doing pretty soon. I'll put those in there. I'm going to put those inside the box so I keep them all together, or I'll put the bottom part as well, a piece of card inside so I don't lose that. But yeah, we're gradually getting organised with storage. We've got another big bag for the charity shop, so that'll be going, hopefully. We seem to get charity bags from various different places through our front door every day, so we'll just spread the love, as it were, and put them in different ones. And the instruction leaflet, yeah, I'll pop that in there as well, because I'll probably keep the picture of that to go in my logbook. Okay, so that's my little owl, that's my little owl, all reviewed. Just a basic review, an initial look at him to see what he's like. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at him with me, and I hope you'll come back to see him when he's finished. But that's really good. I love that. I think the eyes are going to look absolutely spectacular with all those different shapes and different gems. That's wonderful. Okay, well, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, if you press the like button down here, it just helps me out with YouTube. And if you press the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, you'll be notified when my next video comes up, and you'll be able to see when I get this completed what it looks like. So thanks for watching, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.